Hi, this is Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Nissan Pathfinder STL, stock reference number 5225. The shape runs from the 5th month 2005 through to the 5th month 2010. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel-drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard has one small dent. We have a set of allied 17-inch alloy mags, all with good tyres and no rash. Left power door mirror in chrome, non-indicator type. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch alloy mag. Right rear 17-inch aftermarket alloy mag, sold as a set. Right power door mirror in chrome, non-indicator type, does have light scratches. And a right front aftermarket alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, single switch type. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right interior mirror, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.